We've been busy lately at Sketch, and it's easy to miss some of those sweet little improvements we've made amongst the larger features. So today, I'm going to take you through 38 of these little gems in 3.5 minutes. You can now navigate items in the Workspace window with your keyboard's arrow keys. You can also now multi-select to move and delete documents in bulk. Edit, rename, and Command-R now work for pages too. The icons on the layer list now better reflect their visibility or lock state. You can now set libraries to automatically update. The Preferences window remembers its position across launches, and so does the Document Settings window. 2 new context menu items allow you to reset ruler origins and convert symbol to Artboard. Option drag, followed by Command D, respects the offset for artboards, just like layers. Inserted or duplicated artboards get placed below others rather than above. Artboards with long, truncated names now have full-length tooltips on hover. You can also now lock the proportions of an artboard. Duplicate switches to duplicate below when holding the Shift key. Holding the Option key now correctly updates the move forward and backward actions. You can now drag anywhere within a selected layer to move it, even if it has no fill. In multi-layer selections, click a layer again to make it the one other layers align to. The operators L, R, T, B, C, and M now work in the X and Y position fields. You can now set a spacing value for multiple messy layers without having to hit tidy first. Evenly spaced layers in a group can be rearranged using Smart Distribute handles without having to select the group itself. A single layer will now align to its immediate parent group's bounds. Holding Option now resizes single segment lines from the center. A polygon sides can now be dragged down to 3 from the slider. Vector points can now be set to snap to quarter pixels. Inner shadows now support negative spread values. Tapping the number keys to position a gradient stop now supports double-digit precision. You can now add blurs to alpha masks. And all layers, even images with transparency, work as alpha masks. Background blur works on semi-transparent bitmap images. I love this one. Drag and drop new images onto existing ones on the canvas to replace them. WebP image files are now supported for image data sources. With an image copied to your clipboard, you can now secondary click to paste image's fill. When exporting a single layer, we now show the file name of the exported asset. On a high DPI display, images copied from Sketch will paste into other apps at 2x resolution. The first artboard you add an interaction from automatically becomes the prototype start point. The Design tab now keeps prototype links out of the way, and the Prototype tab reveals them. The Prototype tab also reveals draggable link handles on layers. Multiple prototype links can now be dragged to any of the visible go-to or back icons. And you can now override any prototype interaction in a symbol, not just hotspots. Did I make it? Yes! 38 features, 3.5 minutes. Beat that.